Look at that. Thought that footage was deleted, but I ended up being able to save it. So kind of scared me a little bit. So I had originally already done this video. This is the second time I'm doing this. The first part, at least. The second part was alright, but the first part I noticed the camera was upside down. So yeah. So you haven't seen the second part of it, but first part of this video was right after the UPS truck just came, and it got a whole bunch of goodies, including the brand new carburetor for the Predator 212. So, as y'all will see here in a second, I got the carburetor put on. It came with new fuel line, new gaskets, just all kinds of good stuff. Got it all on there and all that jazz, so we're good to go. And fast forward to the second clip. Alright, so got everything back together minus the air blocks, which is optional, just for testing only. So yeah, let's see what she does. Hopefully there's not any more problems, because I really do not feel like working on this engine anymore. But let's see what happens. That was it. How about that? So after a little bit of carburetor idle tooting, she purrs like a kid. So glad this thing is running nice. I do have to find the little crankcase breather thing. I'm gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but what I'll do is find the hose that came off of that, and then just probably just leave it hanging. Probably put a little filter on the end of it just to keep any crap from getting in it. But actually, a little update on the Mutt Murray here. I got it in the garage working on it. Well, it's out the carport. A tripod, by the way. Just doing a little bit of ins and outs on it. Got my first headlight bracket done, and I took 2 screws out, and that's because, as you can see right here and over there, right there, I am going to make a little part that comes out to about yay right here, and this is going to be the area where the winch is going to go. So this thing is going to have a winch. I have decided that I'm going to try. I did cut out a little bit more right here so that everything clears. Thank God. Didn't like everything beating up against this metal. But I'm gonna try. If it don't work, then I'll have to figure out another configuration. But I'm gonna try to see if I can fit a car battery right here. Try to build me like a little cradle for it. But yeah, that's pretty much the gist on that. If you recognize, this pulley is off of the Dually Sears. Well, was. Just actually got done working on it before the truck came. And pretty much what I did is this pulley and the pulley that was on this transaxle was pretty much the same. So I pretty much swapped them over. And so this one, I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'll probably just keep it for future use if I ever have. That's probably a 1-inch axle or whatever you call it, input shaft size diameter. Yeah, they do probably going to have to get a slightly smaller belt for it because it has a pretty good bit of slack in it. I mean, it still moves, but it takes it a while to get up and go. So that's the case on that. I was gonna do a tensioner pulley, but with the way that thing is now, they ain't no room for a tensioner pulley because I've already tried. So that's all for that one. A little update for the truck. Look at that. These are wheel lights, or fender well lights, or wherever you want to put them. I will do a unboxing on this one, probably not next video, because next video is going to be the Train Museum tractor show that I mentioned. That'll be me filming that a little bit. So don't know if it'll be the video after that or after that. So but yeah, stay tuned for that. That's going to be awesome. Definitely going to add some character to the old truck. So yeah, I'm pretty freaking stoked that it actually runs now, because yeah, tired of working on it. So now with that being said, I get to go over to my grandparents and work more on the actual go-kart, so I can get that thing on there and possibly go for a rip. Bring y'all guys with me. So yeah, super excited about that. That's about all I can think of for right now. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're stopping it for the first time, please subscribe for more builds. I can't talk. More builds, and yeah, I guess I'll see y'all later.